Does your bathroom feel more like a cluttered closet than a relaxing space? You're not alone. Small bathrooms can be a nightmare when it comes to storage, but there's no need to stress. With the right solutions, even the tiniest bathroom can feel organized and spacious. Today, I'll share 6 genius ideas that will help you maximize every inch of your bathroom. From rolling carts that fit into tight spaces to space-saving vanities, these tips will make a huge difference. Don't miss number 5. It's a game changer for anyone with limited space. Let's start with a solution that's perfect for tight, awkward gaps in your bathroom. A tall, slim, rolling storage cart. These carts are designed to slide seamlessly into narrow spaces, like between your sink and the wall or beside the toilet. With multiple tiers, you can store toiletries, cleaning supplies, or even extra towels in one convenient place. The best part? It's portable. You can easily roll it out when needed and tuck it away when not in use. Look for carts with wheels and a slim, sturdy design to make the most of your space without adding bulk. Next up, magnetic bathroom shelves. An innovative and stylish way to maximize vertical space. If your bathroom has metal fixtures, these shelves are a game changer. Simply attach them to metal surfaces like towel racks, pipes, or even the side of a metal cabinet. Use them to store lightweight items like hair tools, small bottles, or even decorative accents. They keep your counters clear and your essentials within easy reach. Plus, they're perfect for renters since they don't require drilling or permanent installation. It's an easy, no-commitment way to add extra storage without compromising style. Under-sink pull-out organizer. The space under your sink often turns into a chaotic mess, but a pull-out organizer can change that. These sliding shelves make it easy to access everything, from cleaning products to toiletries. Look for adjustable designs to fit around your plumbing. You'll not only maximize storage but also save time by keeping essentials neatly arranged. This simple upgrade transforms an overlooked space into a functional storage hub that's perfect for small bathrooms. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are a stylish and practical solution for small bathrooms. They take up zero floor space and are perfect for holding jars, small plants, or rolled towels. Install them above the toilet or near your mirror to add extra storage without making the room feel crowded. Choose sleek, minimalist designs to keep the space looking modern and organized. Floating shelves are an easy way to combine functionality with a touch of decor. Shower caddies with hooks. Shower caddies with hooks are a small bathroom's best friend. They offer dual functionality by holding your shampoos and conditioners while providing hooks for loofahs, razors, or washcloths. Choose corner designs to save even more space, especially in tight showers. These caddies keep everything organized and within reach, eliminating the need for bulky storage racks. Plus, they're easy to install, making them ideal for renters looking for practical and temporary storage solutions. Space-saving bathroom vanity. A space-saving bathroom vanity is the ultimate upgrade for small spaces. Opt for designs with built-in drawers or cabinets to store essentials like toiletries and towels. Look for models with pull-out organizers for added functionality. These vanities keep your counters clear while blending seamlessly with your decor. A compact vanity not only saves space, but also adds style and value to your bathroom, making it feel larger and more functional. Small bathrooms don't have to feel cramped or cluttered. With these 6 clever storage solutions, you can transform your space into a functional and organized haven. From rolling storage carts to sleek vanities, each idea helps you make the most of every inch without sacrificing style. Which solution are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs these tips, and subscribe for more home organization ideas.